So he is eating a little bit. We're just taking a syringe with some gravy from our cat food. Trying to get a little protein into him. Okay. Here you go, Bobby. Come on. Okay, sweetheart. It's all right. It's okay. Here you go. You want it? Good boy. Good boy. Yummy. There you go. Good boy. He's eating it.
Good.
Oh, what a good boy. He's so hungry. Let's get a little more. I think he's probably just maybe a few hours old. I think he fell out of his nest. Good boy. He likes it. He's sucking on it like a baby nursing.
Good.
This is what would happen in the wild. His mama would regurgitate mealworms into his mouth.
Here, you can try some of that too.
Okay. Do you have another syringe?
I'll get one.
Get another big one and then get a skinny one for water. Fill the skinny one with a little water. Okay, good boy. Now this is very nutritious seed pellets from our bird Zachary. We have a parrot and he eats a pellet mix. And we're going to try to get our little friend here to take this. We crushed up some of the pellets, which are chock full of vitamins and nutrients that birds eat. And so we crushed it up and mixed it with a little water to sort of emulate what his mommy would do in the wild, which is his mommy would eat her seeds and her grass and whatever other things she's eating, and then she would regurgitate it into his little beak. So we are going to try to... We've tried to recreate the same thing by crushing up the seed pellets that come in Zachary's pellet mix. And we're going to try to see if we can get that up into a syringe. He definitely seems to be gaining energy since I fed him. I think he just needed some calories. So hopefully we can get him to eat this next. Do you have a syringe coming, honey?
Sort of. They're already out. Clean up.
Okay. So we will revisit you as soon as we have that ready.